Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to learn method to express a set. We have three method to express a set: descriptive form, tabular form जिसको roster form भी कहते हैं, and set builder form. In this video we will cover only descriptive form and tabular form. The rest will be discussed in next video. Descriptive form. In descriptive form sets are defined in word. डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म में क्या होता है, सेट्स को वर्ड्स में डिफाइन किया होता है. यानी कि अगर कोई भी सेट आपको जुमलों की सूरत में नज़र आए, दिखाई दे, या कोई भी सेट हमें गिवन है, इफ वी आर गिविंग अ सेट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टेटमेंट, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेंटेंस, तो उसको हम कौन सी फॉर्म कहते हैं, वो कहलाती है डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म. Basically, this form comes out from the word describe. In this method, a simple sentence indicates all the element of set. ठीक है, like an example A, the set of days in a week. इधर एक सिंपल स्टेटमेंट है जिसने हमारे सारे सेट्स के एलिमेंट को डिस्क्राइब कर दिया. द सेट ऑफ डेज इन अ वीक. ओके, here the days are not being mentioned, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are not been mentioned. Okay, same as natural number, the numbers are not been mentioned, just description. So in this form we describe the set in word. I repeat, set के जो है तीन मेथड्स होते हैं, जिसमें से एक मेथड डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म है. डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म में हमारा जो सेट होता है वो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टेटमेंट या जुमलों की शक्ल में हमें प्रोवाइड होता है. नाउ tabular form. This is the second method to represent a set. In tabular form, the elements of sets are enlisted within braces and separated by comma. This is the form which we have already learned in the first video. हमने फर्स्ट वीडियो में जिस फॉर्म को डिस्कस किया था, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ सेट, वो टेबुलर फॉर्म में थी. ओके, इन टेबुलर फॉर्म जो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं वो इनलिस्टेड विद इन ब्रेसेस. ब्रेसेस मीन्स कर्ली ब्रैकेट, एंड सेपरेटेड बाय कॉमास. लाइक सेट ए, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे. पीछे हमें डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म में गिवन था द सेट ऑफ डेज इन अ वीक. ओके, एक स्टेटमेंट थी जिसमें हमारे सारे एलिमेंट शो किए. नाउ हाउ डू वी राइट इन टेबुलर फॉर्म? फर्स्टली we have named the set as capital letter, then there will be equal sign, then all the elements of the set will be enclosed in curly bracket. Okay, now set B was the set of first 5 natural number, so we will represent the set by capital letter as B, then equal, curly bracket open, 1 2 3 4 5. Now some more example, like set A is equal to set of positive even number. Set of positive even number. Here we have a word positive even number. As we have to start at as we know, even number start from 0, but we have to start our set at 2 because 0 is not positive, also not negative. So 2 is the first number, and using the roster tabular method we write all the element within the bracket. Okay, as we are not told about how many numbers are to be in set, that's why I generally prefer to write 3 or 5 elements, then some ellipses. 2 4 6. Now set of whole number greater than 0 and less than 5. Here we have greater than 0 and less than 5. So greater than 0 means 0 से बड़ा, and less than 5 means जो है 5 से smaller element. So the elements will be set D, then equal, curly bracket open, 1 0 से bigger number. Whole number, we know whole number start from 0 and and till infinity. So greater than 0 means 1 and less than 5 means 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our tabular form. Okay. Now come to our next example. Set of prime number greater than 2 and less than 11. So here greater than 2. Firstly we will focus on prime number. As we know, prime number means which have only two factors, 1 and itself. So now greater than 2 means 2 से बिगर. तो 2 से बिगर कौन से हैं? 3, 5 and less than 11 means 7. Okay. Now next example, set F, set of odd number greater than and equal to 1, less than and equal to 11. Okay. Greater than and equal. Whenever you have a word greater than and equal, then we will count our given numbers. यानी कि हम boundary numbers को add करेंगे. Greater than and equal to 1 means 1 will be included. Less than and equal to 11 means 11 also will be included. So the element in our tabular form will be set F equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. So whenever we have a word between, we will not count the given numbers. Like between 3 and 15 हमने इसको count नहीं किया. इसी तरह अगर हमारे पास होगा greater than and less than, so तब भी हम given numbers को count नहीं करेंगे. अगर हमारे पास ग्रेटर देन एंड इक्वल होगा, सो हम फिर जो है हमारे नंबर से काउंट. ग्रेटर देन एंड इक्वल टू 1 मीन्स 1 विल बी काउंटेड. लेस देन एंड इक्वल टू 11 and 11 is also belongs to our set. What we have learned today? We have learned two methods to describe a set. First one is descriptive method and the second one is tabular method. In descriptive method, set are described in statement and in tabular form set are listed. Okay.